Alright guys, so the last thing I want to talk about before we get into the day trading strategies and get into the technicals and stuff like that is stopping your trades and stopping the trading essentially when you need to. Okay, now one of the things is that another thing that you want to be ready. I talked about, hot hand mentality, and sometimes you're just not going to have a good day trading and all that. One of the things you want to remember is that sometimes when the day is not going well and you feel like, okay, you took a, let's say, $100 loss, sometimes the best thing you do is to just stop trading. Okay, because sometimes, it has happened to me a few times where I'm trading and it's not going the way I want to. It's just I'm making mistakes and the market is just not cooperating. It's completely fine. That happens because, as I said, you really can't predict the market. You can try to guess it based on the tools and indicators and all the stuff we have, but it's really hard to actually predict the market 100%. And sometimes just the trades are not going your way. They're not working out. It's just nothing is working out for you. It's completely fine. And what I do is that sometimes my personal rule is that when I have three lost trades back to back, I just stop trading. Okay, I just stop trading the moment I see 3 back-to-back losses in a day. I'm like, okay, it's just not my day. I'm gonna stop, and that's it. The reason I do that is that because when you actually have losses back-to-back in a day, you actually build up this negative mentality. Okay, this negative thing that actually pushes you to try to recover the losses. And when you actually try to recover those losses, you actually end up making more mistakes. Okay, so it's really important to know when to stop. And if you're feeling like, okay, you're losing money, just stop. And again, for me, it's 3 bad trades. For some people, it's just 2 bad trades. 1 bad trade is not good enough. Okay, you could recover from that. 2 bad trade can be another one. If you feel like, okay, you want to make your rule you want it to be 2 bad trades. If you make 2 bad trades and you just lose money twice, you're like, okay, it's not working out for me. I'm gonna stop today and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. It's completely fine. So again, guys, important to know when to stop and what to do. Like, just you don't have to trade every day. And sometimes, like, here's something I do. I actually sometimes don't take any trades. Like, there are days when I'm like looking at the market, I start like looking at the day, I wake up in the morning, I'm like, I just don't like this market today. I just don't like the way this looks. I feel like I can't mentally predict this. So I'm like, okay, I'll just stay away. It's just not my day today. Okay, and it's completely fine too. Okay, so again, remember, just because you're a day trader, you don't have to trade every single day. Okay, or you don't have to constantly trade to win. Okay, sometimes you make a couple bad trades, you just need to take a break, go out, take a drive or something like that. Or just you feel like, okay, today is not my day. I don't feel like trading because I just feel like this is not the market I like today. Or you just maybe had a bad day, something happened. I don't know, something happened, your mind's on it, you just want to take a break. It's completely fine. So remember, know when to stop. Okay, so I just want to point that out before we get into day trading strategies, because we're going to talk about a lot of important strategies like how to trade, how to deal with loss and wins and all that stuff, and we're going to get into charts and everything. So I just want to point out the last thing before we get in there. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.